Hey, this is Mr. Weisfeld. For the observation portion of this lab, you are supposed to take 5 period measurements for each of 5 lengths of the pendulum. If you watch this video, it showed you how to make an observation table. Your observation table is basically your student data. So hopefully you have something like this, which is your student data table. Let's move ahead to the data analysis page, where I'll show you how to make a chart of this data. This video is going to show up right here when it's done. Click to watch it. Add the content. We're going to insert a chart. The chart we're going to insert is a scatter. We don't know the relationship between the length of the pendulum and the period yet. So we're going to click this. We're going to call this student data chart. We want to include the lines of best fit. The x-axis is manipulated variable. This is the length of the pendulum in centimeters. And the y-axis of the table was a responding variable. That was the period of the pendulum in seconds. So this is where our graph is going to show up when it's done. Let's insert our data. To insert our data, let's go back to our student data table. Pick the columns and rows that we need. So we need this column first. This is the length column. That's our independent variable. Then click this button here to insert our y values. This is select the table. This is the responding variable. So this is the column we want. This is the average period of the pendulum that has a certain length. When we insert that data, we get our graph, which looks like this. Let's see here. I want to see the period from 0, and I want to see that period from 0. Okay. So, there's your graph. Nice job.